その名を口にしました。呪いが発動する。
白日の魔法。脳の機能を低下させ、虚偽を述べたり秘密を守ることが不可能となる。すごい威力です、玉代様。
かわいそうですが、さようなら。
Steven, no dating till marriage. You have 24 hours a day. You have to make sure that put at least 20 hours into study. It's not enough to sleep. Then sleep faster, lah. Neighbor's kid had a girlfriend once. Now he makes videos on YouTube. Or your cousin had a girlfriend once. Now he does drawings on lattes. Thomas even had a girlfriend once. Who's Thomas? Exactly. And what do they all have in common? I don't know. They're happy. They're all failures. Cool. I'm gonna head out. I'm going to Wendy's. Who the hell is Wendy? iPhone charger, huh? Who you trying to call? Instagram, okay. Who you trying to DM? Okay. Again with the suck. You're so useless. You make soccer look like Amazon Prime. Basketball. Who you trying to call? Magnet. Who you trying to attract?
Yeah, I'm just gonna let you know right now that it's not gonna work. Shut up. I'm calling your dad to negotiate a deal. Harold, we got your son. If I don't see 100,000 deposited into my bank account by 5 p.m., you will never see your son again. Who this? Who I am isn't important. What's important is that I have your son. How you get this number? I got it from a phone book. Look, these really aren't the types of questions you should be asking in this situation. We have your son hostage and— Yeah, okay, you can have him. What? All he do all day is to eat and sleep. Never do the studies. So useless. F***ing disappointment. But he's your son. You raised him for 20 years. Yeah, it's the 20 years wasted. Now instead of wasting money raising that dumb shit, I can buy the brand new T34 Ultra White rice cooker. Because at least a rice cooker can cook rice. That dumbass don't even know how to use a rice cooker. God damn, bro, it's like 2 buttons. You call me if he escaped. I find him and send him back. Wait, hold on. Okay, bye. What'd I tell you? Oh my god, you deal with that every day? Yup. Yeah, I know, right? Crap, I am so sorry, man. You know what? Let me try to get us both some money right now and then we can split it. Hey, what you want? Send me $100,000 right now or send him back. You sick mother.
Well, you know my husband?
Yes, Offset. Yes.
He bought me a Porsche truck, which I know, not Porsche truck, my bad. Oh, you see, I'm still drunk probably.
That must have been
A
some
Lamborghini
birthday.
truck.
A Lamborghini truck?
Yes. And I've been wanting a Lamborghini truck, but they told me that was gonna come out in October, and it's like, no, I want to waste my money now. So I just bought a Lambo, and they just got me the
But hold on,
Lamborghini.
isn't it true that you don't, as I recall, you don't know how to drive?
No, and